Welcome back to Cooking with Rashee. Mango season is in full swing and so is the heat. Let me show you how to make these delicious mango chia seed pudding. These require no cooking, so they make the perfect quick and easy breakfast. They're also great as a snack, and if you need a beautiful dessert, you can definitely enjoy them that way too. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Cooking with Rashee for more recipes like this. Let's get cooking. First, I blended together coconut milk, vanilla extract, and chopped up mango pieces. The sweeter and riper your mangoes are, the better your pudding will taste. So try your best to get ripe mangoes. We'll also add in some yogurt. I prefer using Greek yogurt because it adds extra protein and makes the pudding super creamy. Today I used plain yogurt, but vanilla or honey flavored yogurt would taste amazing also. You can add some regular milk or even a protein milk if you want an extra boost. Now we'll blend everything together until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Next, we'll transfer everything into an airtight container and we'll add 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. Mix really well so the chia seeds don't clump together. Let this sit for about 5 minutes, then stir it one more time for the smoothest texture. We'll cover this and let it refrigerate overnight. If you can't wait that long or you need this immediately, about 3 to 4 hours is enough for the chia seeds to thicken up. I was making this for breakfast the next morning, so I let it refrigerate overnight. The next morning, you can really see how thick and creamy the chia seed pudding has become. It gets this spoonable texture that almost feels like a dessert, but it's still so light and refreshing. Now, if yours turns out a little too thick, just add a little splash of milk and mix it really well. It'll loosen up to the perfect consistency. I like to add a little at a time so it doesn't make it too runny. Once you're happy with the texture, grab your glasses or any serving dish you want to use for serving and layering. This is the fun part. I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can serve this mango chia seed pudding, depending on your mood, how sweet your mangoes are, or even just how fancy you want to make it. We will need chopped mango pieces. The first is simple and basic. We'll layer the mango chia seed pudding, then add pieces of fresh mango between each layer. That's it. Fresh, simple, and so good. Next, this idea is especially good if your mangoes aren't super sweet. You'll line the glass with ruafza or any rose flavored syrup. You could also use a strawberry flavored syrup. Then again, layer the mango chia seed pudding and fresh mango pieces until you reach the very top. Add a little drizzle of the ruafza or the syrup that you use to line the glass. It adds a nice touch and makes it feel and look extra fancy. And finally, for the last version, we are going to layer it the same way, but sprinkle a little shredded coconut on top of the fresh mango slices. The coconut adds such a nice tropical flavor, and a little bit of texture on top of that really complements the creaminess of the chia pudding. It also makes it feel a little more elevated, like something you get at a cafe or brunch spot, but it's still so simple to put together at home. And if you want to take it even further, you can lightly toast the coconut beforehand for a deeper, nuttier flavor, but even as is, it tastes amazing. And that's it. Mango chia seed pudding that can be enjoyed 3 different ways. Let me know in the comments which variation you would love to try. I always love hearing what you're making at home. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Cooking with Rashee for more easy and delicious recipes just like this. I'll see you soon with a new recipe.